Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. Today I'm here to show you how quickly we can eliminate some of the chrome from the back half of our 2010 Camaro. These replacement taillight bezels fit the 2010 to 2013 Camaro and are a simple and easy way to eliminate the factory chrome bezel. They're available in a gloss black and a flat black finish, so you can choose between the colors you want, so that way it can accent any additions that you might have on your Camaro. They are molded using the same mounting tabs as the factory piece, so replacing these bezels is going to go right back into the factory location, giving it a nice, easy, and factory look. To replace these bezels, first we're going to start by opening our trunk. This will allow us access to the cover panel so we can remove the 3 push pins using our trim tool. With the cover panel out of the way, we can now access the backside of the factory bezels. We can then reach in, pushing down and out on the top side of the clips, releasing them from the bumper. Once the top side is released, we can use our trim tool and a towel to follow along the edge, releasing the clips on the sides and the bottom of the bezel. The towel will simply prevent any damage to our tail light lenses. Now that we have the chrome bezels out of the way, we can simply install the new bezels right back in the factory location. There you have it, guys. Installation is just that simple. Now, we installed the flat black bezels on our car just to go along with all the stripes and everything we have on it. As always, thank you for watching. If you would like any more information about these products, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for our future videos.